Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight.
Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this wig. There's a tutorial I shared with you last week on how to make almost the same type of wig, but that one was going backward. This one is like a ponytail. So guys, if you learned something from this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So I'll leave my details on how you can contact me in the description box down below or in the comment section, just in case you want me to make you a wig. So let's get into the tutorial. So this is the cut that I'm going to use. I've already marked my hairline, so the line is going to guide me on where to sew my braids. And then of course you need braids. I'll be using these big and small braids to make my wig. I also marked the middle part of my head, and this is where my braids are going to meet. So I'm going to pin down my braids and then sew them. So if you've watched my previous videos on how to make these braided wigs, I'm just going to use the same process. Pin the braids down and sew them.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started. Get me out of now, to where we started.
I'm now sewing down my first few braids. So when you pin them down or when you're sewing them, make sure you put them in a ponytail like this. Hold them with a band so that it guides you or directs you on how to sew the braids.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started. Oh no. Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the better below. You tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself free out on the ground. I know the truth. I know the truth.
I'm done sewing, so I'm going to cut the small braids because I actually don't need them, and in fact they're making the cap heavy. So I'm going to put them in a ponytail and cut them.
But you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the butterfly inside myself, but this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. I know the truth.
You really don't have to cut the small braids if you don't want to. I wanted to cut mine because I wanted my wig to be as light as possible. So I went ahead and cut the braids and band the ends just to prevent them from unraveling.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom is overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you.
I'm going to use this hair to make my baby hair. It's called cocoa braids, so you can use any soft hair that you have to make your baby hair.
The cold and darkest days, the summer's calling. As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars. I know that we will see December. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh.
So here is our wig, but it's not heavy. So what I did, I applied concealer on the layers, and then I saw some combs on the sides and at the back, and then I attached an elastic band as well just to make it more secure. And then before you try this on, or before you put it in a ponytail like this, make sure you try it on. Make sure it's on your head before you wrap it, because if you wrap it before you put it on your head, you may think the cap is small because it kind of reduces the space inside.
All this overthinking, oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking.
So guys, I've been eating a lot of avocados of late. That's why my face is like this. Pimples. I'm using Go-To-Be glue on my baby hair. So I've applied. So I'm going to leave it for like 5 minutes and then I'll be back. This is how it looks after I applied gel. So make sure when you apply concealer, make sure it blends well with your complexion. And then if you feel like the spaces are too big, you can just take a black eye pencil or a brown eye pencil and mark on the line, so that just to reduce the space. The spaces that you see here, you can just stitch them together like this to hide the spaces. This is how it looks in the middle. I left the hair that I cut because I also wanted to support my ponytail, to give it this shape.
Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started. Get me out of now, to where we started.
So guys, if you want me to make you a wig, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below or in the description box, so that you can contact me and I will make it for you. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned something from this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.